In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook pixel to Kajabi. Whether you're just getting started with online marketing or looking to improve your data insights, integrating Facebook pixel can help you track conversions, optimize ads, and build more effective marketing strategies. So let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to start by signing into your Kajabi account. Open up your browser and head over to the Kajabi login page. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all your courses, website content, and crucially, your integrations. Next, from your dashboard, look for the settings icon. It's usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard menu. Click it, and you'll open up a new set of options that let you tweak and fine-tune different aspects of your Kajabi site to suit your needs. After clicking settings, scroll down to locate third-party integrations. This section is dedicated to connections with external tools and services that enhance your Kajabi site's functionality. Click on this option and you'll discover a variety of other platforms you can connect with Kajabi. Now look for analytics within the third-party integrations. The analytics option allows you to link various analytics tools to gather data and insights about your site's performance and user interactions. Click on it to proceed. Within the analytics section, you'll see a toggle for different tracking options, one of which is the Facebook pixel integration. You'll want to find the toggle specifically labeled Facebook pixel. Click on this toggle to enable it, allowing Kajabi to connect with your Facebook pixel data. With the integration toggled on, the next step is to input your Facebook pixel ID. You can find this ID in your Facebook Ads Manager under the Pixels section. Copy your pixel ID carefully. Once you've got it, return to Kajabi and click on the input field labeled Facebook Pixel ID. Now paste your pixel ID into the input field. Be sure to double check that there are no spaces or errors, as even a small mistake could prevent the pixel from tracking data properly. Accuracy is key here to ensure that the data flows correctly from Kajabi to Facebook. And there you have it. With your pixel ID entered, your Facebook pixel is now integrated with your Kajabi site. You'll start seeing valuable data and insights about your audience and their behaviors on your site, allowing you to make informed decisions and optimize your marketing efforts effectively. So congratulations, you've successfully linked your Facebook pixel with Kajabi. This new setup will provide you with deeper insights and help tailor your marketing to your audience's needs. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!